A single moment of misunderstanding is so toxic or poisonous that it makes us forget the 100 cheerful, overjoyed, and delighted moments spent together within a minute. Isn't it true? I would like to share a story with you all. Imagine you as thirsty and drenched in sweat. You will look for a shady tree and see from where you can get water. You look at the person standing in the window of the front building and he asked you why you need water. How would you feel at that moment? What will you think of that person? The person then closes the window and signals you to come down to the building. You go there in a hurry, but no one comes there for the next 15 minutes. What do you think of the person now? This is going to be your second opinion. After a while, the person comes there and says, "Sorry, I am a little late, but seeing your condition, I have brought you lemon water instead of just water." Now, what do you think of that person? You take a sip of syrup and you realize that there is no sugar in it. What do you think of the person now? Seeing your sore face, the person pulls a small pouch of sugar out of his pocket and says, "I haven't deliberately added sugar before," wondering how much you love sweets. What do you think of the person now? Then think, in just 15 to 20 minutes, you have to change your mind, your gaze, even under normal circumstances. In a moment, your thoughts, your opinions can be totally wrong. Then, when you don't know much about someone, you don't know how that person is going to behave. Is it right to misunderstand it? If not, isn't it better to understand someone than to misunderstand them? Is it that as long as someone behaves as you expect they are good or bad? When misunderstandings turn out to be very bad, understand each other. Means there will be no problems in your life. Don't be in a hurry while making a decision. Lastly, I would like to say, understanding the misunderstanding is the best understanding ever.